Hello, my name is Andrew Kenny. I'm an attorney with Hoglund Law Offices based out of New Brighton, Minnesota. I've been doing Social Security disability work for over 30 years. The first question my clients ask me is, what are the appeal steps? So we have Social Security disability and SSI. There are different qualifications for each. One is based on your work history. The other is based on your financial qualifications. But once you apply for benefits, the application level can take sometimes 6 months or more. You need to apply either by going online, or you could try to go to a local Social Security office. I'd advise going online if you can. But once an application is in, you're asking for Social Security to consider paying you benefits because you're unable to work for medical reasons. The application level is the first level. The second level, if you are denied at the application, is called the reconsideration. You have to appeal within 60 days of the initial determination, the date on the letter. Look for that because you'll get mailed letters for the response. The next level is called the reconsideration. That level, again, can take sometimes 6 months or more. That decision is to review the decision before and perhaps account for any new changes in your medical problems. If the reconsideration level is denied, then you need to request a hearing. The hearing request process gets you out of the lower level and into the Social Security hearing level. The first two levels are a state agency, and each state has doctors that they use through the Disability Determination Service to make decisions about your ability to work without talking with you. The hearing level, once the hearing happens, it varies widely how fast it takes to get to a hearing, but that's where you speak with a federal administrative law judge about why you're unable to work and what medical problems you have. If at the hearing there's a denial letter, you have then 2 months to request a review by the appeals council if you wish to appeal that. That is in writing, and that is actually a little more drawn out for the response. It's usually between 6 months to a year to have a response for that. Those are the levels, administrative levels, for a Social Security disability claim. They need to go in that order. And at times, let's say the appeals council sends a case back to redo a hearing, a rehearing is what I would call it, then it can go backwards to the hearing, and then there's another chance if you get denied again at the hearing level to request appeals council to review your file. Those are the steps in a Social Security disability and SSI claim.